Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution, keeping all your devices charged on the go. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 times over. That's the massive 20,000 mAh capacity this portable power bank offers, perfect for long trips or busy days. But it's not just big. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device for optimized, lightning-fast charging, ensuring you're never waiting long. And with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing the charge with a friend or topping off your phone and tablet at once. This isn't just any battery pack, it's an essential piece of tech for anyone who needs reliable power for their electronics, truly making it one of the best portable chargers for 2025. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just out for a long day, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh ensures you stay connected, productive, and entertained. For incredible peace of mind and endless power, check out the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh via the Amazon link in the description below. Its durable build and sleek design mean it's ready for anything, from daily commutes to global adventures, without weighing you down. What truly sets this power bank apart is Anker's reputation for quality, combined with its powerful features, making it a standout portable charger. If you're serious about staying charged and want the best portable charger money can buy, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is my top recommendation for 2025.